How to avoid capital gains tax on gold. A comprehensive guide. Capital gains taxes can significantly reduce the returns on your investment, making it essential to explore legal strategies to minimize or eliminate these taxes. To read the full article right now, see the link in the video description. Also, if you're worried your retirement savings are not keeping up with inflation, see the link in the video description to access the free inflation retirement calculator to make sure you are on track. There are many gold investment instruments that can enable an investor to avoid capital gains taxes, such as tax-deferred gold IRAs, 1031 exchanges, ETFs, and much more. This video will guide you through various ways to avoid capital gains tax on gold, ensuring you keep more of your hard-earned wealth. Understanding capital gains tax on gold. Before delving into ways to avoid capital gains tax, it is crucial to understand how it is applied to gold investments. In many countries, including the United States, gold is considered a collectible, which means it is taxed at a higher rate than other types of investments, such as stocks or bonds. Tax rates on gold investments. In the United States, long-term capital gains on gold, held for more than a year, are taxed at a maximum rate of 28%. Short-term capital gains, assets held for less than a year, are taxed as ordinary income, which will be higher depending on your tax bracket. Some countries apply value-added tax, VAT, or goods and services tax, GST, on gold purchases, adding another layer of taxation. With these high tax rates, it becomes crucial to consider strategies that can help reduce or eliminate the capital gains tax on gold. 1. Use a tax-advantaged gold IRA. A gold IRA is one of the most effective ways to legally avoid capital gains tax on gold. A gold IRA allows investors to hold physical gold in a tax-advantaged retirement account. Types of gold IRAs. Traditional gold IRA. Contributions are tax-deductible, and the gains grow tax-deferred until withdrawal in retirement. Roth Gold IRA. Contributions are made with after-tax income, but withdrawals are tax-free. Both IRAs allow you to hold physical gold as an investment without having to store the metal itself in your own residence. By investing in gold through an IRA, you defer tax payments until retirement when your tax rate may be lower. If you're interested in setting up a gold IRA, see the links in the video description to access the free gold IRA guides from the gold IRA companies that we have researched and vetted. Finding the right gold and silver IRA company for your individual needs is critical. For example, if you require a low investment minimum to start a gold IRA, Birch Gold Group or American Hartford Gold will be two choices to consider. However, if you are a serious high net worth investor who can afford a higher minimum to take advantage of the most competitive gold prices, as well as lifetime customer support, then Augusta Precious Metals would be a good fit. For a highly personalized experience, National Gold Group is a family-owned gold IRA company that offers a low minimum investment, no-fee buyback policy, and great educational resources for their clients. Furthermore, Noble Gold Investments provide gold and silver IRAs, as well as private investment options for home storage. See the links in the video description to find the right gold and silver IRA company that best serves your needs. I just want to take a moment and thank you for supporting our channel. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy this video content. It really does make a difference. Now back to the video. 2. Take advantage of the 1031 exchange. The 1031 exchange allows investors to defer capital gains tax by exchanging one investment for another of like kind without realizing a taxable gain. While this strategy was more common for real estate transactions, some investors have successfully applied it to gold. How it works. If you sell gold and immediately reinvest in another gold asset of similar nature, you may qualify for deferred taxation under the 1031 exchange. The IRS has tightened regulations around 1031 exchanges, so it is advisable to consult a tax professional to ensure compliance. 3. Gift gold instead of selling. Gifting gold to family members or loved ones can help avoid capital gains tax while transferring wealth efficiently. Annual gift tax exclusion. In the U.S., as of 2023, you can gift up to $17,000 per recipient without triggering a gift tax. If you gift gold, the recipient assumes your cost basis, and they will be responsible for any capital gains tax upon selling. If your recipient is in a lower tax bracket, they may pay a lower capital gains tax than you would. 4. Pass gold through estate planning. If you plan to leave gold as part of your estate, your heirs can benefit from the step-up in basis rule. How it benefits heirs. When gold is inherited, the cost basis resets to its fair market value at the time of inheritance. If your heirs sell the gold immediately, they may owe little to no capital gains tax. Estate planning tools such as trusts can help optimize tax efficiency and ensure smooth wealth transfer. 5. Invest in gold ETFs and mining stocks. Instead of investing in physical gold, consider gold ETFs or gold mining stocks. These investments typically receive more favorable tax treatment than physical gold. Gold ETFs are taxed at the standard long-term capital gains rate of 15% or 20%, rather than the 28% collectible rate. Mining stocks qualify as standard equity investments and can offer tax benefits such as lower dividend tax rates. However, there is greater volatility and counterparty risk to these gold investment vehicles as opposed to owning the physical metal itself. Avoiding capital gains tax on gold requires strategic planning, but it is entirely possible through legal means. Whether by investing through a gold IRA, gifting, estate planning, ETFs, or trusts, the right approach depends on your financial goals. If you have $100K in savings protect and want to take advantage of the best silver and gold prices, see the link in the video description to attend a free silver and gold educational webinar hosted by Augusta Precious Metals. Secure your place today. Thank you for watching.